you were jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules they
It's a Sunday evening, you guys, and we under the streets out here in these streets. The hubby said he's taking me out, right? Taking me to a boat ride. Tell me about the boat ride.
It's a ride on a boat.
So yeah, apparently this is a boat ride that should be very exciting. I've never been on a boat ride of this nature before, but I'm hoping it will be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
It's a Sunday evening and we're just bill of vibes, you know.
The temperature is not super duper hot. It is just in between. Not hot.
82 degrees.
Not cold. It says 82, but it does not feel like a typical 82. So hopefully I can bring you guys along. And hopefully it's lit. Trying to find the place. We are, according to the GPS, at the location, but we are trying to figure out the parking. Most people are in that long line trying to park, but we saw a perfectly empty parking garage right here, so we're gonna just go in there and park. I don't know if it's cheaper in that one while everybody's going there, but we just gotta do what we gotta do right now because we're kind of cutting it close in terms of the time.
Yeah, we got it.
What? Go, babe. You go. Let me go.
Huh? Let me let you go. Alright, go. No, listen, we don't have time for the liquor people, them, you know. Maybe not.
Very noisy. Yeah. Fort Lauderdale.
Thank you.
okay if we have 3 fire? One for the summer, one for the Sunday, and one for the unsaved. That sound good? And tonight there will be different. We are just doing
Jet ski, everything.
You know what I should do? Have the same picture for video. Start this video background and then take it.
Ladies and gentlemen, what the hell is going on there?
Show you guys this cool blow, but it sure. Yeah, I tried guys, but yeah, it never worked out. Next time.
You should say something. Like, try to say something.
Like what?
I don't know. Like, we're on the boat and the boat is turning and we're in the water.
What time now? I think we've been on the boat for
About an hour.
Going on an hour and a half. And it's a 4-hour boat ride, you guys. Oh my god. 4
And there's
hours.
music playing in the background. Turn it around.
Yeah.
Turn the camera around. And there's music in the background and we're enjoying ourselves.
Holy Ghost fire! It's a Holy Ghost fire!
Holy Ghost fire!
It's a Holy Ghost fire!
Fire!
Let me tell you something.
Video.
That's a beautiful shot.
The gears in the bridge. See the bridge, show the bridge. That's the bridge.
Yeah. Oh, the bridge, you guys. The bridge. This is the actual road that the cars drive on that they open up, right? Nice. Can you have a ginger ale, please? Yeah. Can you get 100? Ginger ale.
On the ocean. Yeah man, Brother Gary's boat ride, Colors on the Ocean, it really worth coming out and meeting back up with old friends and spending some time with the wifey and things. She enjoy herself. We didn't go all over in the boats, you know. We went from downstairs where they was serving the food. The food line was so long that we didn't even spend the time down there, so we went up on top and we just had fun. It was nice listening to the music. It was nice hearing the DJ them work. It was nice meeting up with people that we don't know but who knew us, and you know, just spending some quality time. You know, me even get to meet one of my favorite singers, Banna, you know, and just spend some time, you know, rapping and talking. And the most important thing was that the wifey was happy, that the wifey enjoy herself 100%, and it's all due to Brother Gary's vision. Yeah man, my brethren from long time, and we've been through ups and downs, but the boat ride shelled down the place. After we spend some time out on the water, we make our way back to the docks, and the Sunday evening came to a close with some good music, people worshiping and just enjoying the vibes. Hey, I look forward to more. Yeah, I saw the thing said, LAUDERDALE TV, out and about.
Text me phone.